Importance of Grid Simulation Lab. Imagine this. It's a normal weekday morning. Offices are opening, factories are running, data centers are processing millions of transactions. And then suddenly, everything goes dark. No electricity, no internet, no payments, no logistics, no production. A large-scale blackout is no longer a distant sci-fi scenario. It is a real risk in increasingly complex, digital, and decentralized energy systems. Today's power grids face unprecedented challenges: renewable energy integration, electric mobility, digitalization, cyber risks, and climate extremes. Yet, we still rely on infrastructure that cannot be tested in reality without massive consequences. You cannot experiment with a national power grid. You cannot test failure modes during live operation, and you cannot innovate safely without understanding systemic risks. This is exactly where the Grid Simulation Lab at BTU Cottbus-Senftenberg comes in. The Grid Simulation Lab makes the invisible visible. It allows researchers, engineers, and industry partners to simulate real-world power grids, stress test scenarios, and analyze failures before they happen. Blackouts, load peaks, cyber attacks, renewable volatility, new market designs. All of this can be explored safely, realistically, and at scale, without risking real infrastructure. For business partners and investors, this is not just research. It is strategic risk management and innovation enablement. The Grid Simulation Lab at BTU Cottbus is where tomorrow's energy systems are tested before failure becomes reality.